Hello guys, welcome to your very own channel, The Techie Traveler. So today we are unboxing the Qubo Smart Dashcam Pro, manufactured by Hero Group. Some of the smart features it offers are 1080 Full HD recording, low light performance, wide angle view, intelligent events, parking mode, multiple recording options, supports SD card, recording on demand, time lapse, and Wi-Fi compatibility. Seems good. Features of this dashcam can be controlled by one app called Qubo Pro. You can download it from Play Store. Package seems to be fine. Like I always say, always look for this seal. It should not be damaged while you receive it. If it is damaged, don't accept the package. For my case, it seems to be fine. So let's open the product. It's quite tight. Finally it's out. Yeah, here is a warranty card, and we have a cable inside. Okay, this is the charger that you can plug into the car power outlet. And here is our actual dash cam. Let's take it out. It's little heavy also as compared to the size, and in first look it looks beautiful, quite sturdy design. Here is the SD card slot, micro SD card, and here is the power button, and this is the sticking part. It already has a double-sided sticker here, and it moves like this up and down, maybe to adjust the angle of the recording. I'll be adding the dash cam recording also. You just check and let me know the quality. Guys, I'm recording this video to check the quality of the video and audio. Video is comparatively good. Listen to the audio and let me know how it is in comments. So that's all for today guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. This is Raj signing off for today.